So it's 2025 and some people are still battling with blowing accounts, taking consecutive losses. Bro, the thing is, it's not as if you are that worst or maybe you are the problem or bro, but I'll be factual with you. You can be the problem at times, you feel me? But the thing is, losses are inevitable. The last thing you can do is just minimize it. So without further ado, I'll just go straight into the point. So first on our list is develop and stick to a trading plan. If you don't have one, that's why I said develop. I put develop first in case you don't have one. You see, in this forex industry, you guys downplay the power of trading plan. In case you haven't watched this video, you might go and watch it after this video. I talked about template. It is about top-down analysis, but I talked about template there. It is very, very good to have a template, something that you have like a ready-made thing. You feel me? I can easily just go there. Everything is made there for you already. It will be easy for you to access that. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just cut the long story short. The point is just develop a trading plan, and this trading plan should include your money management, your strategy, both your entry and exit, because the secret to a professional trading or the secret to each and every trade we take is having a precise entry and exit. So let all these things be in your trading plan, and inside this your trading plan as well should include your financial goal, maybe daily, weekly or monthly. These things will help you know when you have reached your limit for a particular day, or maybe for the week, or maybe for the month, and it will also help you know where you are going to. It is like a template. Just go there, look at it, okay, and over time you don't have to keep looking at it, opening your trading plan every day, looking at it, or maybe anywhere type it. Maybe it is virtual or maybe it is physical. Over time it will sink in your head. You don't really need to always go back there to keep checking it, because as you keep doing it, practice make perfect, it will stick to your head. But right now you want to go get a journal, write all these things down, and in case you don't have before, and stick with it. And for you that have before, try to look at it and make adjustments. What is supposed to be here that is not here yet? What is not supposed to be here that is already written here? Okay, let me erase this one. You want to do all those adjustments, you feel me? So that's that for the number one. The number two here is risk management. I know some people will want to click away now because risk management sounds like a cliche to them. It sounds like a broken record to them. Risk management, everybody risk management. Bro, risk management is very, very important. I won't like to give too much long story on this particular risk management thing, but I'll just tell you, learn to set your stop loss in case if you are the type that also believe in mental stop loss because you see it from somewhere. Bro, stop loss is also part of risk management. For those that does not know about stop loss is just like an order. It's an automatic order that is set there that, okay, when this trade gets to this particular place, you want this trade to close out your loss on this particular amount, on so amount. Okay, I have $100 as my balance. Okay, if this trade goes against me, I want it to hit me out in $5, in $2, in $3, $10. That's what we call stop loss. Make sure you set all these things. Some people just set trades and they'll just leave. They'll say that there can be manipulation. Bro, even if there will be manipulation, just use your stop loss. What if sudden spike comes out? That's why I don't believe in mental stop loss. Some people are using it and I'm not condemning it, but bro, if you love yourself, set your stop loss. That is the point. Next one on this particular risk management is over leveraging. Bro, if you are the type that use excessive lot sizes or that is not disciplined enough to stick to your risk management plan, like stick to a particular risk management strategy that you have built for yourself. Bro, I can't guarantee your success in trading. In case you don't know what I mean by maybe risk management strategy, you might want to go and watch this video when you finish watching this particular video. I taught you guys about the two types of risk management we have, how to calculate it, and the best one. You can choose anyone for you then, anyone, you feel me? So you can go and watch it. So the point here is, any risk management strategy you have, I would advise you to follow it. If it is maybe, okay, I don't want to lose $5 on this particular account, I don't want to lose $500, $800 on every trade that I'll be taking. I'll be risking $1,000 per trade, or maybe on a $50,000 account, or maybe on a $100,000 account. I want to be risking $2,000. I want to be risking any amount. Bro, learn to stick with it. Between losses and loss, when you are winning, try to control yourself and keep risking the same amount. And when you are losing, try to be disciplined enough not to over leverage. Lastly, concerning risk management is, you want to maintain a favorable and realistic risk reward ratio. And to me, my best recommendation is always anything from 1:2 to 1:3 and above. 1:2, 1:3 and above. Meaning, if you are risking $50, you are risking $50 to gain $150. That is, 1:2 means 1 times 2. Whatever you are risking is your 1%, and the ratio whatever that is here, the ratio X is what you'll be multiplying it with. You feel me? So 1:2 is like 50 times 2, or maybe 500 times 2, and 1:3 is like 500 times 3. Meaning, if you are risking 500, you are risking 500 to gain $1,500. If you are risking $1,000, you are risking $1,000 to gain $3,000. It is as simple as that. The point is, maintain a favorable and realistic, something achievable risk reward ratio. Don't go for something unrealistic. You put your trade here, your stop loss will be here, and your trade will be over there. Bro, I said everything in that video I talked about. I think of the analysis here. Don't overextend your take profits. Let it be where it's supposed to be. You feel me? So that's about risk management. Now to the last one is control your emotion. Number 3. You see, this particular controlling of emotion is two ways, in which, number 1, learn to wait for potential, like trades with high potential. If you are part of my subscriber or my followers on any of the social media, you must have heard this thing from me very well. High potential, trades with high potential, trades with high potential. I preach it a lot because it is very important. You feel me? That is what is helping me. That is what is helping all my mentees. You feel me? So learn to wait for only trades with high potential, especially if you are the type that you have, like, you take your losses you are winning, like you have a winning strategy, but your losses are way more higher than your wins. What you just want to do, the last thing you just want to do, is just try to be like, balance your psychology, balance your emotion, calm down, only wait for trades with high potential, trades that you believe in, that this trade is gonna do well. I promise you, there's no trades with there's no promise trade, that any trade that there's no guaranteed trade. Okay, let me put it that way. There's no guaranteed trade that, okay, this one is gonna work by force. No, there's nothing like that. But when you see something original, something authentic, you will feel it, you will know it. Unlike the one you just do this one, let me take this one, let me take this one, let me take this one. Maybe because you want to revenge trading, or maybe because you just can't sit on your hands and wait for an authentic trade. Or maybe because you are Pablo, you have much money to lose or much money to risk, so you just keep on hitting that lot size buy, sell, any of these things, and you keep on accumulating losses like that. And when your time for wins come, you take some wins. Meanwhile, with all those wins that are supposed to be accumulating, the accumulated losses have swallowed up your wins. That way you feel like, what is wrong? This thing is not working. Bro, how will it work? So bro, you want to try your best to stick with only the trades with high potential. You feel me? The second part of the emotion is learn to allow your trades to materialize. I've preached this one a lot too. I do preach it. Allow your trades to materialize. What I mean by that is, whenever you set your trades, don't be that type of bro or sis that is always afraid or always shaky to close setups once it close your trades whenever I see it move in your favor for few pips or for few profits. If you are risking 1:2, if you are risking a 1%, make sure you close nothing less than 1 to 1.5. If you cannot wait for that your whole 2%. By the way, why would you be able to wait for your 2%? Why would you be able to wait for your 2%? That's by the way. So just allow your trade to hit take profit. But if you are the type that has a strategy of risking 1% for 5%, 4% and above, bro, you want to be closing nothing less than 1:2 to 1:3, 1:2 to 1:3. Like take significant profit. Only take significant profit. Don't be scalping your trades. Learn to balance your emotion. Don't be afraid. I have taught you guys on this channel how to manage trade, or how to hold trades to take profit. I'll put the link here. You should go and watch it after this one as well. That is if you want to change or if you want to take action. You feel me? It is not for everybody. My recommendation for you is learn to use break-even. If you don't know how to use break-even, I think let me know in the comment section, I think maybe I can just help you to make a video for that. And so I guess that should be all for this video. If you find value in this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment your thoughts, or maybe if you have anything to ask me, or maybe you want me to help you anywhere. Feel me? I'm always active for you guys. And also follow me on Instagram as official_labbanks. This is my page. So I guess that should be all for now. Peace.